we confirm. We show the final approach, and we confirm Zavcon. I understand that you have to have nerves of steel to be docking like that. Vladimir Alexeyevich, we do not hear you quite clearly. You're very hard to understand. I can hear that you're saying something, but I cannot discern the words. We show final approach, and we are looking at the docking mechanism of MRM-1. Range is 170. Copy.
And as you heard, the final approach has begun. Just about 10 minutes to docking. Of course, that's it's all up to the vehicle's close approach now from currently 153 meters from the station.
Range is 150, range rate is 0.77. It's a posigrade. We are increasing our speed. Depots versus active. Oleg, please monitor VSK periscope as well. Of course, we are. I'm looking at the crosshairs. So range per course data is 125, range rate is 0.77. We copy.
Yeah, just about 100 meters now from the station.
100, range rate 0.5, and the docking mechanism is at the center of the VSK crosshairs. We copy, Antares. Range 90, range rate is 0.5. Please don't forget that you are going to be entering the sunset in about 1 minute. When? In about 1 minute. There will be eclipse. We copy. Eclipse is in 1 minute. Range is 0.8. And range rate is 0.42. And we have activated the floodlight. Did you activate the floodlight? Yes, I did. Range 0.75. Range rate is 0.33. We copy. We see the docking mechanism, which is like 1 degree up from the VSK crosshairs. We are entering the eclipse. We are in the eclipse. Range is 0.65. Range rate is 0.27. We see the docking mechanism. We see the target and the crosshairs. And the range is 0.6. Range rate is 0.27. I see the. We are in the eclipse, and I see the docking mechanism.
Just under 60 meters now, traveling in toward the station at a very slow 0.2 meters per second. Obviously lining up there with the crosshairs on the docking port of the International Space Station's Rassvet module on the Russian segment.
Yes, we are in the eclipse. I think range 0.50. Range rate is 0.21, and we see the target. It's illuminated. Oleg, did you install a mate filter? No, range is 045 and range rate is 017, and the target is a little bit to the left, 1 degree off the center of the crosshairs. Copy. Range approximately is 0.45. Range rate is 0.18, and we see say 17. We confirm that all the commands are ready. And we see it at the center of the overlay. And the range approximately is about 40 meters, or around 38. Range rate is 0.15, and for the final approach. Do you see the L15 format indicator? We do. Moscow copies. We're approaching 32-meter range, and the target is at the center of the crosshairs on the overlay, and it's a little bit 1 degree lower from the OSK crosshairs and a little bit to the left. Range rate is 0.16. We are approaching the station, and the range rate is approximately 0.32. Range is 0.32.
A very smooth approach. Docking should occur within the next 4 minutes.
There are no gaps. Range rate is 0.12. We are approaching the 25-meter mark. I see everything very clearly on the display. The crosshairs is about, the cross is about 2 degrees lower. The crosshairs are aligned. We are transitioning to the AR bases. We copy. Range is 20 meters. Range rate. The target is at the center, almost at the center. Range rate is 0.12. Closing in. Range is approximately 17 meters. Copy. Range rate is 0.12.
Less than 20 meters now from the station. Slight roll to align properly with the docking target.
Range rate is 0.13. Range is about 13 meters. Everything's looking fine. Range rate is 0.1. The crosshairs of the target are aligned, and the range is 10 meters. Range rate is 0.1. The crosshairs are a little bit 1 degree lower from the center of VSK. Range is 7 meters approximately. Range rate is 0.11. We see the target clearly, and the target and the crosshairs are aligned almost perfectly at the center. Range is approximately 3 meters.
Now inside about 3 meters or about 10 feet. Standing by for contact and capture.
We are waiting for contact. The range is less than 1 minute. We're standing by for contact. The crosshairs and the target are aligned. Range rate is 009. Range is 0.1. We are in the indicator mode. We copy 0.5, 45, and 12 seconds.
And we have contact and capture, docking of the Soyuz TMA-17M with the International Space Station. Docking at 9:45 p.m. Central Time, 10:45 this evening Eastern Daylight Time.